What's going on today? We have a 2006 BMW X5, and we are going to be replacing the tail light bulb. Now, there recently was a light on my dash telling me that the brake light bulb was faulty, so I'll go to turn it on and the lower brake light bulb wasn't working. So it's quite easy to replace that tail brake light bulb. First thing you want to do, this latch right here, you want to pull that lever up, pull it away. That gives you access to the tail lights, the brake lights. Now the lower one is what was not lighting up. So basically what you want to do, you want to twist it to the left and pull it out. Okay. And in order to take that bulb out, all you're gonna do is okay. So you're gonna push it in, twist it to the left, and it's gonna release just like that. Voila. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the new brake light bulb. You're gonna make sure you match these little points, these little pins up with the pins in there, right? So it's gonna go right in there. It's gonna go right in there. There's one on that side as well. I don't know if you guys can see. You're gonna push down and twist to the right. Once that's done, you can go back here. Make sure to line those teeth up with these holes right here, those. All right. Once it's flush, you can turn it to the right to lock it in. And that's how you do that.